Good morning and welcome to the lesson 2 of module 2. In this particular lesson, we are going to learn the following things. So, we will be creating the model 1 and with the proper orientation. Orientation in the sense as per the given drawing, we have to orient in the isometric mode the model also in the same manner. Then creating a datum plane, you can create a datum plane at a distance, offset distance, and you can add number of planes. That means a number of parallel planes. Then extrude tool, then different options until next, etc. Then Boolean operations, in that none is there, unite, subtract, intersect is there. Then how to use query selection, how to hide the plane, then entering the value, editing the features, etc. Okay, so let us start. So I have opened the software. We'll be selecting the new, then give the name, let us say M02 exercise 01, something like that, and our directory is NX exercises, then OK. So we are going to create this particular model. Okay, so in the isometric view orientation, the model should be oriented in this particular direction. So we will check all the dimensions first of all before starting the model. The length in the x direction it is 84, in the y direction it is 48, and here 20 is there, 30, 24 by 12, 30, 15, all these dimensions are there. Let us do one by one. So the rectangle is 84 by 48. Okay, so directly I am going inside the extrude command. You can press X also, select the extrude, then go to sketch section, then select the required plane. By default it is selecting, even though I will select once again. Okay, now you can see this is the x direction, this is the y direction. So if you notice properly, when we set the orientation parallel to the plane, there is a rotation. There is a rotation in the towards the anti-clockwise direction. So when you create a rectangle, you have to make the length side arranged in such a way. So if you have any doubt, you can create the sketch, then you can edit. So that is also possible. So this is, as per our understanding, this is 84, and this is 48. Then this also we will centralize. This is half of 84, that is 42. This is 24. Then finish sketch. Now you can see the direction. If you want to change the direction, it is possible here. So my direction is okay in this direction. So I want to give 12 mm. 12 mm is okay. Then okay. So now next thing we are going to learn is we have to create a datum plane. So if we look at this drawing here, you can see there is a 20 mm from the bottom face, right? So we will be creating a datum plane here, 20 mm offset distance. So here you can make this is the isometric orientation here. So let us click here. This is the isometric orientation. Now we can go here, datum plane, then at distance. This is the option you have to select. You will get so many different options here. So we will select at distance, then select this plane. Now you can see it is the plane is going downwards. You can change the direction here. Then the distance is 20. Here it is 20. Enter. Then if you want, let us say you want 5 planes. I don't want any 5 planes to demonstrate. So this is how you can add number of planes at a distance 20. Now I want 1 plane only. Then OK. So this is the method to create a datum plane. Now if we look at this drawing here, 12 by 24. There is a rectangle. Let us draw the rectangle. So directly I am going inside extrude, then go to sketch plane, then select the plane which we have created just now, then OK. Now let us draw a rectangle. You can see I was talking about query selection. See, if I just bring the cursor towards that point, you can see 3 dots appearing here. That time you can just left click. So you will get all these options: start point, point on curve, end point, point on curve, etc. So actually we want the coincident point, that corner vertex point. So you can select start point, then you can draw a rectangle like this. So directly you can enter the value here. So the width is 12. Press the tab key, then enter 24, then enter, then click. This is how you can directly edit the size of the rectangle. Then finish. So it is going upward. Actually we want the other side. So reverse direction. Then value, instead of value, what I am going to do is I am going to select until next. Oh, missing target. Okay, until next. I think it is correct now. Let it be until selected. So I can go here and select this face. Now Boolean. Now it is unite inferred. So if I want to particularly unite, I can select this unite. So automatically it is selecting the yellow color body, which shows that this particular body is getting united with this. So let us say if I use none, what is going to happen? Okay. Now you can see this is one part and this is another part. Actually I want this particular body to be united with the other. So I can go here, right click, edit parameters. Then here I will choose unite, select body. It is asking select body. So because then OK. So now you can see there is no line and it is converted into a single body. Now I can hide the plane, select this and press here, hide or Control B. Now let us create one more plane. So go to plane, select this, reverse direction, and here it is 30, enter, then OK. Now again I am going for extrude, select the plane. Now same thing, going to draw a rectangle here. So you can click end point 24 and 12. enter, click, then finish. So now we will use this until selected, select this face, then here you can unite, then OK. Same thing, we will hide this. So what are the learning outcome here? So Boolean operation we have done. So the query selection, hide plain, all these options are done. Entering the values directly, so that rectangle values, so that also we have done. Editing features, so the next thing is how to edit a feature. So anytime you can select this, let us say you want to edit this, go to edit parameters, then you can edit. Okay, here all the options are there, you can edit this. Next we have to create a rectangle as cut at the center. So go to extrude, then go to sketch section, select the face of extrude, then OK. Now we can draw the rectangle here. So let us see what are the size. So 24 by 18. So this is, so this is 24, this is, cancel, this is 24, and this is not this, actually this one, this is 18. Okay, now we have to give the dimensions, how it is available in the drawing. So 30, from this edge 30, and here it is 15. So that is from this edge. Go to dimension, from here to here it is 30, even though it is correct. Let us enter. Then from here to this edge it is 15. So this is how you have to make the sketch. Always try to maintain the dimensions as per the drawing. Don't calculate and give the dimension, because anytime if you get a modified drawing, it will be very easy to edit. Okay, sketch is fully constrained, finish. Now I can change the direction here, change the direction. Then this time what I am going to do is I am going to select through all, because I want to make a cut. Then subtract, so it is subtracting from this body, then OK. So this is the model. Now I forgot to tell you one thing. So whenever you make such models, it is better to rename all the features, all the individual feature. So extrude, this I will rename as, sorry, let us select this, right click, rename, and this is base. Let us say the name as base, enter. Then here this datum plane you can rename as offset 20, something like that. Then here this extrude, rename, this is say 20 height, something like this. Then datum plane here, rename 30 height, enter. Then this one rename as 30 height, oh sorry, this rename, height, and this rename center pocket. Like this, if we give a name for and how to orient it, you can go here. Different orientation is available, isometric, so you can click here. So if you rename all these things in this way, it will be very easy for you to modify anytime. So you can simply find out, okay, this is the base drawing and this is the 20 height drawing. So all these things are, you can easily locate the point, right? So that's all for this particular lesson. Thank you for watching. So you can save your drawing. Okay, let us end the session. Thank you once again.